Hi there, my name is Vera, and today I'm excited to show you one of the most powerful tools on the EarnPark platform, the Yield Calculator. This is an incredibly useful tool that not only helps you calculate potential earnings, but also demonstrates the magic of compound interest. So let's dive in and see how it works. Here's a calculator, simple, flexible, and tailored to your investment needs. Let me highlight some key features. First of all, how much money you'll earn. This is the first thing you notice, and it's the most exciting part, isn't it? How much deposit you'll need. See exactly what you need to contribute to reach your goals. Regularity of deposits. It shows how much you need to invest periodically. Compounding frequency. This determines how often your earnings are invested to grow your capital even faster. And right here is a growth chart. It gives you a clear visual representation of how your capital increases over time using our strategies. Let's do a quick example together. Imagine you're investing just $1 every day at a 20% annual rate for 35 years. These are the default settings you see when you first open the calculator. Let's hit calculate. Here's what we get. Your total deposit over this period will amount to $12,775. And thanks to compound interest, your earnings will reach an astonishing $1,985,109. And that's a final balance of almost $2 million. Isn't that incredible? Of course, 35 years might sound like a long time, but that's how compound interest works. Time here is your best friend. The key is consistency. Even small amounts can lead to huge results if you invest regularly. Starting small is perfectly fine. You can gradually grow your initial capital through consistent deposits and the interest earned over time. And remember, EarnPark has already paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars to our users. So why wait? Start building your passive income today. Now, to fully understand your calculations, let's quickly go over some important terms. APR. This is the annual interest rate without accounting for compounding. APY is the annual percentage yield, and this includes the effects of compounding and shows you how much your investment can truly grow over time. Let's not forget compound interest, which is the key to long term growth. This means that you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest you've already earned. At EarnPark, we offer a range of strategies. We offer low risk strategies, which is steady growth options for long term investors. And also, we have high yield strategies for those who are looking for bigger returns and willing to take on more risk. With this calculator, you can explore different options and find the strategy that works best for you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Use the EarnPark Yield Calculator to plan your investments. And remember, consistency and long term thinking are the keys to success. So, see you on the EarnPark platform. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.